decision.
Menteri Ketenaga Sports kami kaliau Bcci warjiri ulah mentib ke sarkar jela kadang dan pedeng ke jengikren bat ke Bcci ban Pynkylla ke stadium Madan Kurkalang hari Bhoi district sya ke cricket stadium ke Bhoi ke bolong kat kum ke national standard watlah ke la ban simpor sa kumba ar ni live nai ban simrai khadu Habai keren sepang ke jingken tiu ya ke jakai lek kai ke jela ulah ang ba ke JN Stadium Sports Complex Shillong kepala depan bahan seplay no hop nai no pra kini ke stadium ka balayo penbha kan doni ke Madan ni lek kai ke bala tap dau plang Bcci.
We are planning for a very big cricket stadium. So it's not that we're looking only at football. We do have a plan in place for cricket as well in many disciplines. We talk about swimming pool, we are planning for swimming pools, we're planning for tennis. So there are so many things that we're planning. So it's not entirely that our focus is only on football, but our focus is on sports as a whole. The progress is doing well. We actually in time to December to inaugurate the JN Stadium.